Hey guys, Alexis here with Smart Prop Trader. In case you missed it, we are currently offering 50% off all 10K challenge accounts until June 1st. Use code Discord10K to claim your discount. Limit 1 per trader. As the world of prop trading and prop firms continue to grow, I wanted to take the time to chat about why Smart Prop Trader is the best choice for aspiring Forex traders. In the world of Forex trading, partnering with the right prop firm can make all the difference in your success. The best prop trading firm can provide you with the support, resources, and opportunities you need to excel as a trader. But with so many firms out there, finding the right fit can be a daunting task. That's where Smart Prop Trader comes in. Smart Prop Trader is a top-of-the-line Forex prop trading firm that has been making waves in the industry. With a focus on providing the best trading conditions and support for their traders, Smart Prop Trader has quickly become the go-to choice for Forex traders looking to take their trading career to new heights. In this two-part series, I will delve into the various features and benefits that make Smart Prop Trader the best option for Forex traders. I will explore our simple yet efficient onboarding process, competitive payout system, diverse trading instruments, and much more. By the end of this two-part series, you will have a comprehensive understanding of why Smart Prop Trader stands out as the best prop trading firm in the industry and why you should consider joining their ranks as a professional Forex trader. So what differentiates Smart Prop Trader from the rest? Let's take a look at this comparison chart. As you can see, we have the lowest prices, a fair max drawdown, high payout split, no minimum trading days, and ample time for evaluations. Choosing the wrong prop firm can lead to missed opportunities, wasted time, and financial losses. That's why it's crucial to select a firm that not only offers unique features, but also aligns with your trading goals and style. SPT is designed to cater to the needs of every Forex trader, providing an unparalleled trading experience and ensuring that traders have the right tools and support to succeed. As an aspiring trader, you should look for the following in a prop trading firm. Number 1, simple and efficient onboarding process. Number 2, flexible account options and trading objectives. Number 3, competitive and transparent payout system. Number 4, supportive and experienced mentors or coaches. Number 5, access to a diverse range of trading instruments. Number 6, a reliable and reputable broker partnership. And number 7, comprehensive educational resources and ongoing training. Smart Prop Trader brings you the right balance of exactly these features. And here's some more. We offer a simple and efficient onboarding process. The 3-step process includes the challenge. The challenge stage keeps it simple with a maximum of 50 days and no minimum trading days. You'll advance once you complete the specified trading objectives. Verification. With up to 100 days and no minimum trading days, you have ample time to verify your trading strategy. After completing the objectives, you'll be automatically upgraded to a fully funded account. And lastly, becoming a Smart Prop Trader. Once you're a funded trader, you can start trading consistently and responsibly. By doing so, you qualify for up to 90% profit split and an account scaling up to $2.5 million. Now let's talk about trading objectives and account sizes. You can achieve your trading goals with Smart Prop Trader's flexible account sizes and clear objectives. We offer accounts ranging from 10K to 200K, allowing you to choose the one that suits your trading style and needs. The trading objectives are transparent and attainable, ensuring that you have a clear path to success. Now on to our leadership. Our leaders, Ryan Lepper and Blake Olson, were inspired to launch Smart Prop Trader by their shared passion for creating a more inclusive and user-friendly trading experience for both novice and seasoned traders alike. With their extensive backgrounds in finance, trading, and education, they understand the gaps and complexities that often hinder traders from realizing their full potential in the market. Ryan's experience in the corporate banking world exposed him to the often unfair practices that banks employ to secure higher profits at the expense of smaller investors. This realization fueled his determination to create a platform that offered greater flexibility in trading strategies and allowed even small-scale investors to access significant capital without much leverage. Blake, on the other hand, had built a successful career as a trading educator and managed millions of dollars in funded accounts across various prop firms. Through this experience, he recognized the potential of the prop firm model and its ability to transform the trading industry. However, he also saw the need for a more competitive and innovative prop trading firm that would prioritize the needs of traders and help them achieve greater success. Together, they envisioned a prop trading firm that was not only feature-rich, but also simple and easy to use. They aimed to bridge the investment gap between large and small-scale investors and create a more level playing field in the financial markets. Smart Prop Trader was born out of this vision, offering a platform that prioritizes simplicity, flexibility, and the success of its traders. Be sure to come back to part 2 of the series, which will be posted here on Thursday. In case you missed it, check out this video of our COO, Ryan Lepper. As always, be sure to follow on all social media at Smart Prop Trader and subscribe to our channel. Bye!